Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pay with Paypenny while living in Germany in 2025. So to begin, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download the Paypenny app. Once installed, create your account using your German phone number or email address. You'll need to verify your identity. Use your passport, residence card, or even your driver's license to complete this step. After verification, choose a top-up method. You can add funds through a bank transfer, credit card, or supported wallets. Once your account is funded, go to your dashboard and tap the Send Money icon. Now select your recipient's country, most commonly India, and choose the payment method, such as bank transfer, UPI, or wallet. Enter the amount you wish to send in either euros or Indian rupees. Paypenny will show you the live exchange rate and any applicable fees right before you proceed. Add your recipient's details, including their full name, phone number, or bank account info. Review everything carefully and tap Confirm to finalize the transaction. You'll receive both an email and SMS confirmation once it's processed, and you can also track it live within the app. Transfers to India typically complete within minutes to a few hours, depending on the method you chose. Make sure to keep your KYC up to date to avoid any transaction limits. You can always view all your past transfers by checking the Transaction History tab. And that's how to pay with Paypenny while living in Germany in 2025.